9:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Friday, November 4th, 2022. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So today in today's update, I want to share this. We have 12 independent entities pledged legal support for Ripple. We're going to take a look at the Ripple chart as we're up over 7.5–8% this morning. The market played out as a bear trap, as I called for yesterday, and I told everybody, especially in the silent update, which I didn't even have to talk, I wrote down throughout the whole 12-minute update, if you were paying attention, how this doesn't feel right. I even said that in the morning update, and this looks to be a bear trap forming, which 100% was the case. I managed to make a little bit of money on Gala on a long, nothing major, but it ended up being anywhere from 12 to 17% on the 3 trades that I made. So we're going to play the intro. Make sure to hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate seeing those 100 likes on each video. It really does show me that support. And also consider joining Tom's Army. It is really the nicest thing and the most legitimate way that you can show me that support. Pay it forward. But make sure to hit that like button, turn that bell notification to all, and subscribe to the channel and join the over 14,600 other subscribers who have already done so. Okay, so let's get right into it this morning. No bullshit. You have our swords. 12 independent entities pledge legal support for Ripple. The evidence is mounting as friends of the court line up in support of Ripple Labs. Fintech firm Ripple is garnering more support from the crypto and finance industry in its ongoing battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. On November 4th, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse proudly tweeted that the number of companies, developers, exchanges, associations, and investors officially supporting the firm has reached 12. The pile of amicus briefs being filed is mounting up, according to Ripple Labs General Counsel Stuart Alderodi. An amicus brief is a legal document filed in appeals cases to aid the court by providing extra relevant information or arguments. These briefs are filed by amicus curiae, a Latin phrase that translates to friend of the court. It's unprecedented, I'm told, to have this happen at this stage, Garlinghouse exclaimed. For those of you keeping count, 12 amici briefs submitted. It's unprecedented, I'm told, to have this happen at this stage. They each explain, in their own unique way, the irreparable harm the SEC will do to every facet of the U.S. crypto economy if it gets its way. On November 3rd, the SEC filed a motion to extend the time to file all reply briefs until November 30th. It asked Judge Annalisa Torres to order that any additional amicus briefs be filed by November 11th. Alderodi mocked the SEC's response, claiming that the agency needs more time, not to listen or engage, but to blindly bulldoze on. Garlinghouse had previously hoped for a conclusion in the first half of 2023, but with evidence mounting, the SEC could drag it out longer. You hear that? Garlinghouse had previously hoped for a conclusion in the first half of 2023, but with the evidence mounting, the SEC could drag it out longer. Pay attention to that. The most recent amicus brief was filed by Cryptillion Payment Systems on November 3rd, as confirmed by defense lawyer James K. Phelan. Cryptillion Payment Services, an online digital wallet service for retail customers and commercial retail businesses using XRP, asked to file an amicus brief supporting Ripple's opposition to the SEC's motion. Verdale also joined the list of Ripple supporters on November 3rd with its own amicus brief. The growing number of supporters that have already filed briefs include Coinbase, the Chamber of Digital Commerce, the Crypto Council for Innovation, the Blockchain Association, Valve Capital, iRemit, Spend the Bits, TapJets, the Investor Choice Advocates Network, ICANN, and John Deaton on behalf of more than 75,000 XRP holders. The USA Securities Regulator took action against Ripple in December 2020, accusing the company and its executives of conducting an unregulated security sale of its XRP tokens. Almost 2 years later, the battle is still raging on, but support for Ripple is growing, and its case strengthens. Garlinghouse has previously stated that Ripple would consider settlement with the SEC, providing that XRP is not classified as security. And now let's take a look at the charts, because that is some great news, and if you're paying attention, it's very valuable. The futures is up 275 points right now to 32,312, up about 0.86%. The DXY is crashing this morning, down $1.31 or 1.17% to 111.662. It could be a retracement area, but if it continues down any farther, we do have an uptrending support down here at 110 spot 888, but does it need to come down here? Not necessarily, because it's holding the 200-day right now. And if that continues, it will pump back up. The U.S. 10-year government bonds 10-year yield is up 0.02% to 4.15 this morning. We've got crude oil up 4.78%, or up to 91.53 a barrel, which means PBR is going to be up this morning, and it is in pre-market to 3.33%, or 3.30% to 13.48. Got gold having a nice little move this morning, up 34.84. That means our mining stocks are going to be up, and as you know, yesterday I bought my B2 gold back at $2.90 after selling it at $3.08. I said it was a beautiful time to buy. Missed it by 1 cent to bottom, and now it's up this morning better than 5.5%. I'm a happy man this morning. My B2 gold's up 16 cents a share from buying it yesterday. One of those moments in time, ladies and gentlemen. Platinum up 3.17%, or 29 bucks, up to $9.44. We've got silver having on a tear this morning, up 4.54%, or almost 89 cents at 20.34. That's a fantastic sight to see. And Fortuna Silver Mines is up over 6% this morning. And copper is up 6.66%, or 0.2286 cents to 3.651 per pound. What a good start today to the commodities and precious metals. I'm feeling good, baby. Total crypto markets at cap is up 4.22% because we were in a bear trap yesterday, like I said, repeated. Not very many people seeing it, but the ones who are loyal, who understand and don't want to see the bullshit, but want to see the truth, you are so far ahead this morning, it'll make your head spin. And now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 3.17%, or 3.18% to 20,851. It's up 642 points today. And Bitcoin right now is at a major resistance level. It was a fall through point. We fell through this yesterday, and now we're coming back up as a resistance. If we do break this, our next target's going to be up at about 22,000 area. So watch out for this. If we can break this, that would be a major area of resistance right now. If we could break this and push through, it's at 20,807, and we're right there right now. We are right there. And if we push through that pivot level, then we can get up to it's 20,955, but then we can work our way up to the 21,562, which, with the way things are looking this morning, unless we get a bearish cross here, which is possible, we need to break the 20,955 and continue on our way and hold the 20,800 approximately. And now with XRP, then I'm going to let you go because I got the kids going to school, well, in school, but I got the little one I need to go take care of, my 3-year-old, because Julie's about to walk out within the next 15 minutes to go to her physical therapy this morning. So I appreciate everybody tuning in. And as I've been talking about for the better part of it feels like 2 weeks, XRP's pivot level right here, we could not break this downtrending resistance. We finally broke it, and now we had a nice spike up. Now what I'm afraid of is, does this pump have to do with anything with the fake news that came out yesterday? There's just a lot of stuff that came out. It turned out it wasn't Brad Garlinghouse's page, wasn't verified, which it is what it is. Some people get excited. But right now what we're looking at in the 30-minute time frame is we're going to look to hold at minimum this 47.93. We did have a breakout. Now we have to confirm the breakout and possibly break our way back up to 55 after breaking 52.48 and ultimately possibly on our way to 65 cents. This could be the start of that. Or this could be a massive fake out, and we're going to pay attention to this today. But all we can do is put these levels of pivot, and this is a parabolic spike, the first one I put, and the next one is the true uptrend that is starting to be created. So right now this morning, what you're going to want to look for is this uptrend right now. Can we hold 48.78 at first? If not, in the 30-minute, you've got 47.96 as the 20-day support. And then if we break that, you've got about 47 and then 46.47 at the breakout point. So that's what we're looking at this morning. If we can maintain this uptrending support or the parabolic spike, 52.48 is technically the next target. And then you've got followed by 53.39, and then you try to break out of this pattern at 55.85, ultimately up to the 65.62 level, which is what I'm still looking at, which I believe can still be hit. And with the current market conditions, it's something that can be met. If you want to trade XRP like me, show me that support. Oh, that's my Dogecoin and U page, which I do some updates because I like some of the coins. And then it just grew to almost 1,200 people. So if you want to join me, go to one of my recent videos. I put on here a video last night for anybody who has their money put away but doesn't know when to buy XRP. I suggested to buy 50 XRP a day. Yes, I understand it's about $750 a month. But you have to start somewhere. And I even said if you don't have the money to do 50 a day, do 10 a day, do 5 a day. Do whatever you can do to stock it up at different times because you have to buy XRP at some point. That video only got 59 likes, so apparently the audience isn't liking what I'm doing. But that's okay because I appreciate the content I'm putting out because I think it's top. I think it's really good content lately. I think it's top of the line, and I'm telling the truth, and I refuse. And under no circumstances will I sacrifice views for the truth. So I don't mind losing views if I'm telling you the truth, because if you stay ahead, at least I'm not bullshitting you, and at the end of the day, I can put my head on the pillow and be happy about it. MEXC, buy XRP in the USA, no VPN, no spot fees, no KYC. If you like the futures trade, join me there, 200X. I'm trying to copy trade there now that BitGet doesn't work properly with the USA users, but I need more people signed up and trading for them to approve me. BitGet, you can still stay on there, use my link and trade, continue trading, because I do. It's just, if you're copy trading me, it makes it very difficult. And then UPHOLD, if you want to use UPHOLD, it's my most trusted. Don't have to worry about it. It's just spot fees are high, but your crypto is safe. And UPHOLD, I've been using it for almost 2 years now. And aside from the spot fees, it's my favorite exchange. You can join Tom's Army there, which I would really, really appreciate and desire. I need one person of Tom's Army to join today to make me the happiest person in the world. Will it be you or not?